Hi, I'm Zach Weaver, Creative Technologist at Building 61, the Boulder Public Library Makerspace. Today, we're talking about 3D printing. "3D printers, who are they, and why so many dimensions?" We use 3D printers for all kinds of things. We can build models of our design or even other people's. We can build custom enclosures for electronics. We can even build repair parts for household appliances. 3D printing actually describes an incredible amount of technologies. What connects all of these technologies is that they are additive. They use various processes to add materials together, essentially with robots. 3D models designed by humans are turned into a set of instructions for these specialized robots to follow using what we call a slicing software. In effect, these machines are following ordered instructions, similar to making a sandwich. Really gross sandwich. Yeah, no, let me explain. Your high-end PBJs are built in layers. A bottom slice of bread, a swipe of creamy peanut butter or crunchy if you hate your soft palate, a swipe of jelly, and finally, your top slice of bread. Similarly, slicing software breaks down that process into very fine layers and reproduces your model one layer at a time. Building 61 3D printers use two different technologies, FDM and DLP. Let's have a look at FDM machines. FDM, or Fused Deposition Modeling 3D printers, are kind of like a glorified hot glue gun that stacks very thin layers of material in very precise ways. These machines typically take a plastic filament like this, heat it to a near liquid temperature, extrude it through a much smaller opening, and deposit it on the bed of the printer or on top of the previous layer. DLP, or Digital Light Projection 3D printers, use UV light to cure liquid plastic resins. The size and shape of these light projections is basically a very thin slice of this sandwich. The first layer of resin is cured to an upside-down plate, and each light projection more or less glues the next layer onto it, like an upside-down FDM print. All right. Cool. Thanks for watching. To learn more about how to create 3D printing files, be sure to check out our video, Modeling for 3D Printing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and to learn more about the space, check out building61.org.